I think my favourite thing about living here is the people who live here and the people who work here.
The atmosphere is really, really nice. It's like one big family here.
It's a place where I can spend some quality time studying, having fun.
A place where I've met friends that I'll have for the rest of my life. My first impressions was everyone's really friendly.
They're very loving too. Staying in a place far away from home, this is just perfect.
I've had friends who've stepped foot in here and gone, wow, why is my room so horrible in comparison to yours?
In my room I have a desk behind my bed and it's a nice little secluded area that I can just get on with my work. The super fast broadband, it's just super convenient.
There's 3 sets of sockets and all of them have 2 plug sockets and 2 USB sockets.
I've got a big enough desk which fits my iMac on, which is very important when you're a design student.
The kitchen facilities here are really good. We often cook for each other.
Yeah, we do. Whenever he finishes training, I've always got his dinner waiting on the table for him. I'll talk dinner.
It's the best place to live because of the location.
Uni is 8 minutes walk from here and city centre is about 10 minutes.
Morrison's is only a 5-minute walk across the road.
Newcastle City, brilliant. Great for students. It was voted like #1 student city.
It's very close to the city centre to do shopping, to have a coffee with your friends.
My friends from other hosts often come here to this accommodation because it has a lot of space. It has cinema rooms, it has speakers, it has arcade automat.
There's a conference room for when I'm doing group work. There are little hubs to sit in that are really cosy for doing individual work. And then there's a big long desk as well for plugging in your computer or plugging in your laptop.
So the cinema room, we've got Sky Sports and Apple TV, so we get all the games pretty much.
The last one we had was the Super Bowl and we all went and watched that, and it's just really nice to have like a communal area that you can go and do something you enjoy but also meet the people that are living where you're living as well.
I use the cinema room every weekend. It's like a great getaway from all the stressful life at uni. The staffs are very friendly.
I just think it's really important that they've created such a friendly atmosphere, especially for people who are moving away from home for the first time in their lives.
For me, it's everything that an international student needs.
It's just about having fun and knuckling down when you need to.
Somewhere that has encouraged me to become independent.
It's not just a home away from home, it's a family away from my family.
And a fit mat.
I'm so sorry.
This is going to be such a fun bloopers reel.
So how far do you use your room?
I should have read these before I could get some ideas.
International student needs.
Because it's so much better than their apartments. We have so much. Yeah, right.
I can't do it. Take two. Mate, I'm nailing it here.